My potatoes are dying. That's good. That means they're ready to harvest. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ah, this is so exciting. I love harvesting potatoes. The most exciting thing in gardening, I swear, is harvesting potatoes. Got some more here. I just love potatoes. Oh, we're gonna have to go digging for those. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, biggest one yet. I just, like, every time I pull them up, I'm just so amazed. I'm like, wow, how is this a real thing? Potatoes are so cool. There's a good one. Yeah, we've got to go raccoon mode and make sure that we didn't miss any. And I always feel like a feral animal when I'm just like digging in the dirt. Oh, there was like a whole family of potatoes that we missed. We are on the other side now. Whoa. Okay, this is officially the biggest one. Okay, now it's raccoon time. We dig. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at all of these potatoes. I am so excited. So many potatoes. This purple variety is called Huckleberry Gold. It's purple on the outside, but it's gold on the inside. This pink variety is called Carla Rosa. And this really cool marbled variety is called Masquerade Potato.